In this video, I will show you a quick way to use the pen tool. As you know, when you draw a path using pen tool, we need several tools to adjust it. For example, the direct selection tool to adjust the points and the handles, add or remove anchor points, and finally convert point tool. But as you can see, it's time consuming to go back and forth among these tools. So I will show you easy shortcuts to use to get access to all these tools. Believe it or not, you're just going to use Control and Alt key. Let's first select the pen tool. And now if you want to select the direct selection tool, you just need to hold Control and when you release Control, you will go back to pen tool. Now if you want to add or remove anchor points, just hover over the path until you see the plus to add, and hover over the point until you see the minus to delete anchor points. And if you want to select the convert point tool, just hold Alt and when you release it, you will go back again to the pen tool.